Hello friends, we are here for the Organized Self-Employment Ministry 33rd second. We are sitting in the Sardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, with truth only terms, 6 Hindu unborn family, room number 126. And we are doing the Organized Self-Employment Ministry 33rd second. First of all, we have to make certain principle on which we will become self-employed government servant. That is the right of pension, fundamental right. Right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right. Direct link to ministry and budget. Preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. By this way, when we will show our self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit to organize self-employment ministry, we will become self-employed government servant. 0 to 18 years if we required, and 18 to 58 years for we all. For the equilibrium point of politics, industry, education, scientists, research, law, legal lawyers, family, truth, non-violence and government, we will make 31st August 1946 as the equilibrium point from where we made an organized system of self-rule. By this system, we will become 6 unborn family. And at the point of Amit Kumar Jha, we will organize our document. For that, I will give you a concept of clearing so that you will understand. In the 6th room of mine at Shardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, where we are doing session with mobile number 6397360717 and truth only terms books on which I am moving, 6 unborn family are there. One family of Shiv Puran, that is Shiv Shakti Mandir. One family is of the Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran. One family is of the ISBN, Brahma Saraswati Puran, all the Hindu writers of all the professions, all subject. One family is of the family, and one family is of truth, non-violence, and one family is of government. All are working together from 26 January 1950. We have to make a document path by which all our profession will be respected. For this, we will put, first of all, we will do prayer to the Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, government Dham, truth, saviors and God and Goddess Dham in democratic way. And we will adopt Amiteshwarism, Amit Kumar Jhaism. And by the constitutional path, we will become self-employed government servant by the direct ministry connection. We have representative MPs and MLA. 750 MPs are there from Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and 4,500 from Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Apart from this, 750 central Hindu businessmen, industrialists, centrally 750 educationists, press, Hindus, 750 centrally legal lawyers Hindus, 750 scientists Hindus, 750 centrally working women families, 750 truth and non-violence workers all over India, and 750 government truth and non-violence workers. Apart from this, state-wise 4,500 MLAs, Vidhan Sabha, Vidhan Parishad, 4,500 all over state, Hindus, industrialists, businessmen, 4,500 educationists, scientists, legal lawyers, press, writers, 4,500 state level women, families, 4,500 truth and non-violence, 4,500 government employees, all state cadres. Automatically by the document system, we all have the Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport and photo election ID card. We will sign by the organized self-employment ministry, and we will by the document system and the fiscal credit table. We will surrender our work automatically. It will be handed to the 750 MPs, 4,500 MLAs and industrialists, educationists, women, truth, non-violence and government. Automatically it will become the direct ministry and direct representative system. From the Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. We have to understand that the organized self-employment ministry and budget is the requirement of today. I have written this book in 2001, 31st August 2001, and in 6 unborn family in 2002, 16 February. For this, a organized worship path also I have made from 31st August to 11th September by 6 unborn pair worshipping, and centrally at 7 AM Aarti of this document, and the 26 February to 16 February to 26 February 6 prayer making of this god and goddess, and then worshipping every year. Automatically this will be revived, and the vote bank we will transfer. It will be automatically transferred as we will work. By the organized self-employment ministry sitting, I have tried to make in Sardapur only the chambers for the illiterate, signature known, 5th class pass, 8th class pass, 10th class pass, 12th class pass, graduation pass, PhD pass, DLED pass, MPhil pass. On that basis, as we have the constitutional track, railway fare, uniform employment system it will develop, because on the document system when we will sign, the one we all who will take the fiscal credit salary, we will every day go to the office in organized self-employment ministry. That will be also made under this document concept. To remember, every day 7 in the morning organized self-employment 6 unborn Monday document Aarti, and 6 PM document Aarti we will keep on from room number 1 to 6 Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Because what work we are doing, that is okay, double salary will come. This will be organized work, uniform work. On the small basis we will start, and it will be a organized uniform employment system. As we will put from which worship home we are belonging, our documents, and we will sign, we are representing this. Like by my concept in democracy, Amit Kumar Jha and the concept who are understanding, we all are the sons and daughters of Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Kshir Sagar Dham, Satya Dham, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess Dham, and government Dham, sons and daughters. On this basis, we are forming the system of organized self-employment ministry and budget. And according to this chamber, as we are getting qualification, we are sitting according to that, and we are promoting to the grade A to Z or grade 1 to infinite as we keep on living. From 0 to 18, if we have shown our self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, we will get pension at 18. Then from 18, if we require at any age, up till 32, if we have shown, that fiscal credit salary will become pension at 32 years. Then again 18 and 32 pension will be attached. Then again we will work by this fiscal credit table, and that much we are earning. If we are able to earn more than that, we can show in cash. Otherwise we will be showing to the organized self-employment ministry by signing per month and going to the office in organized self-employment ministry and budget, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, as has been given by the fiscal credit table. And on that basis, when 46 we will retire, at that time the 46 18 pension, 32 pension and 46 pension will be attached. Similarly, at 58 year, when 46 we will start, at 58 year that will be the pension. So it will increase 18, 32, 46, 58 year. In between, fiscal credit salary will be assurance. This will be our political vote bank, because we are moving on the documented path of democracy. It has already been made by Jawaharlal Nehru on 31st August 1946. Only thing is that we have not documented. For keeping unity, we will call it Kailash Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, Vaikunth Dham Kshir Sagar Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, Satya Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, each United God and Goddess Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, and Government Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan. And all these 6 unborn Rashtrapati Bhavan will be in the control of the Rashtrapati Bhavan, which has been controlling us, one Rashtrapati Bhavan which has been controlling us in New Delhi from 26 January 1950 as Republic. It is a democratic institution, and like a government employee, we will be transferred to the different Rashtrapati Bhavan by the Prime Minister. And on the state level, we will call it Unborn Kailash Dham 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan, Unborn Vaikunth Dham Kshir Sagar Dham 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan, Unborn Satyalok Dham 4 generation Governor House, Unborn Governor House Kshir Sagar Dham, Vaikunth Dham Governor House, Unborn Governor House, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham 4 generation Governor House, Unborn each United God and Goddess of Hindus 4 generation God and Goddess Governor House, Unborn Government Governor House, and it will be attached to our original Governor House, where we are being governed from 26 January 1950. The transfer will be done by the Chief Minister according to the political waves which we are moving. By this document system, we will be always united, and self-employment government job will be our blessing, which our ancestors and the national leaders who has done the session from 31st August 1885 by investing their money and going different parts of India and generating the nationalism to us. And we have been moving on this. By this method, one path is devoted to the devoted politician. We will put As we are in family, 120 crore Aadhaar card I have taken, 20 crore Aadhaar card we will put as a respect in socialist pattern as the greatest salary. Similarly, 20 crore Aadhaar card will be put to the industrialists as the greatest respect as a form of salary, and 20 crore will be put in front of industrialists and educationists, scientists, lawyers. It will be respect of that. 20 crore Aadhaar card will be put in front of women. It will be respect for that, and 20 crore Aadhaar card will be put for the truth and non-violence for the respect, and 20 crore Aadhaar card will be put for the government. Automatically it will be under the control of the government in that democratic manner. We have to understand the concept that organized self-employment ministry, that is presently our annual budget and railway budget is managing the resources, but what is there, we are not able to become self-employed government servant because we have not documented, we do not have uniform system, and we do not have the uniform democratic background by which we can be able to stabilize ourselves. By this concept we will stabilize that if 10 rupees, according to my concept, if 10 rupees we are getting as a fiscal credit salary, that is a boost up because it will go lifelong. Apart from this, we have the educational certificate in capital value. By the organized self-employment ministry budget concept, the educational certificate has been given capital value. That means as we goes on increasing our educational certificate, our promotion is also due, and our fiscal credit salary will also increase, and our chamber will also increase because we will be sitting in the, if we are graduate, if we are done postgraduate, we will sit in the postgraduate chamber. If we are PhD, we will sit in the PhD chamber, and we can self transfer from one place to other. One will be transferred by the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister according to the post we have taken by self funding, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credits. All is documented from 31st August 2001 on the daily basis. I have taken more than 15,000 session, morning, evening. Now I am taking these live session of 40 minutes every day. This is organized self-employment ministry 33rd session. It is not so difficult task. By the concept of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847487, by seeing this concept from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House I, the document we will name 12 documents. I have gathered 72 documents, and we have already 1175 crore mandir documents all over India. From 12 documents we will try to take the shadow of it documents and put in the Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, where 1 to 6 documents all, and we will worship it also, and we will follow on that step. Automatically, gradually by the system, the other shadow mandir document will come to it, and by the Microsoft shelf of computer we can easily keep the document in that shelf. In the Hariyar Vidhi, that is welfare, live law, truth savior, non-veto husband and government commission, and power, money, education, truth saviors, family and see government commission of India. It will be an organized system. We can 24/7 it is connected, and we can sit in that according to that. In the private sector also we will be working Here the work is optional because the validity is given of the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, what we have been doing. Yes, of course, the regular income will give a boost up because now will be self-employed, and this will give us a organized direction from our senior brothers and sisters who are successful on the India level, 750 MPs, 750 multinational corporations, 750 educationists, scientists, lawyers, writers, 750 women, 750 truth and non-violence, and 750 government. Automatically on that path we are moving. Similarly, we are getting connected from the state, 4,500 brothers and sisters who are in the Vidhan Sabha, 4,500 Hindu industrialists who are working in different states as industrialists, 4,500 educationists, writers, scientists, Hindu scientists, lawyers, 4,500 women in different states of Hindus, 4,500 truth non-violence, 4,500 government of different state are working. We will be organized by this because in that, like railway station, we will be always attached to this. This organized self-employment ministry and budget will be always as mother and father to us, and this fiscal credit table which I am holding in the hand will always guide us, because the key and its power will be in the hand of Prime Minister and President, Chief Minister and all the political party president, because after signing they will look after this. We are the vote bank of this, because we will try to develop on the path of democracy in the organized way by the organized self-employment ministry budget, annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget. We will have 3 budget system: annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, and organized self-employment ministry and budget. We have to come together for the development and the fiscal credit salary, because then we will not have the problem that we are not earning. We are earning, and in uniform way this is the government democratic rate. All political party will signature and we all will signature, so we cannot turn from our words, because it is the employment equilibrium point of 130 crore population. It will increase and decrease according to the capacity of the political leaders and the industries, because just now I have tried to put 30,000 per month, but if I am talking of 15th August 1947, it is 30 rupees per month, because the value of 30 rupees per month in those days, today it is 30,000 per month. So according to the inflation and deflation, this will increase and decrease. According to the depression and boom, it will increase and decrease. The employment will be same, that what we are thinking and how we can make. Only thing is that in the parliament every February, as we are presenting budget on 12, 13, 14 February, similarly one day we will fix in 3 presentation: annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, organized self-employment ministry budget presentation. And employment equilibrium point will be the deciding factor for the 30,000 above, that is 30,000 per month above earner and 30,000 per month below earner, because on that basis we will try to move the society. What guarantee we are getting? Each and everyone, anytime when we are trapped in the eventuality, this organized self-employment ministry, as we have the railway station, will always help us to move in organized manner, because here every time below 70%, those who are below 30,000 per month earner, that is below employment equilibrium point earner, will be sitting here. According to their wish, they are coming and going, and according to the requirement of the political party, they can call meeting in the organized self-employment ministry and budget, because all political party members can come and go, all the multinational corporation come and go, all the educationists, all the scientists, all the women, all the truth non-violence, all the government employee can come and go, because by self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing system, we are coming and going in this. By the agreement method, we can promote above 30,000 per month earner, because on that basis we will be able to improve our caliber. The degree will be giving validity, because by the degree method we are trying to move. I have tried to fix the fiscal credit salary of the illiterate also. The table which I am showing, it can be increased and decreased according to the signature we are making. Suppose my opinion is that if 5 rupees also we are fixing as self-employment government servant and becoming the sons of Kailasdam, Bakundam, Saddam, Adi Sakti, Jagadambadam, each united God and Goddess Dham, and by Rashtrapati Bhavan status and by Governor House status, we are keeping the Shiv Puran, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran, each united, the Brahma Saraswati Puran, that is 12 Jyotir book, and all the 175 crore Hindu writers book, Brahma Saraswati Puran, and the Adi Shakti, Jagadamba, Durga Saraswati Bhagavad, and the Varshkrit, and the Constitution of India, Parliament, RBI, Supreme Court, Bureaucracy, Army, Police, Secretariat, University, Press. Automatically, the junior member will start influencing. Like our father, mother is doing this, so we will do. As the Jawaharlal Nehru did, so does we started doing. Similarly, as the senior members of the house, what they do, 95% of the junior starts following. We have to put the idealistic in front of us in room number 126 in Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Automatically the idealistic will guide us, because the ideal form, the toppers of our Hinduism, those who have been working, those who are above 30,000. That is why I have tried to put 30,000 per month above earner higher and 30,000 per month below earner. Of course, the leaders are belonging from ground, but they are knowing the personal capacity of each and every person, because as we goes on getting the experience, we understand that how much capacity we have, and according to that we work. So similar is organized self-employment ministry. The Shiv Puran, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, the ISBN Puran on which we qualify IIT, make PSLV, Sarabhai Scientific Institute, other type of institute. Of course, finance is there, but the brain is also there. Similarly, the various types of women hubs, the truth and non-violence institutions, and the government institution, all is developing from our brain. So, a organized setup is being generated, and in this, like we have the government system, it is totally a government economy, a capitalist economy, a socialist economy, because all are free, because we are privatized, fully privatized, and we are fully governmentized, because everyone has requirement of support of everyone. By this system, we are linked with each other, and if eventuality is coming, we are knowing that we have done this wrong. Organized self-employment ministry is always fixed. Since the interference of 4,500 MLAs all over India, 750 MPs all over India, by the signature is there. So one person cannot change this. Our organized self-employment finance minister by the public opinion will increase and decrease the value of the educational certificate and the fiscal credit salary. And the committee of the government, democratic committee of the government, will decide the employment equilibrium point. In lieu of that, what we are self-employment government job. We are knowing that 10 rupees is our fiscal credit salary, and by the pension, gratuity, provident fund, D&S allowance, we can manage house, land, or any type of marriages or any type of holidays. Apart from this, personal capacity is also increasing, because when we are living in one atmosphere, our work become specialized. As slowly and slowly our money will increase, our ministry standard will also increase. We have by document method given the ministry also their share, and industry also their share, and the educationist also their share, the family also their share, the truth and non-violence also their share, and the government democratic also their share. Everyone mouth is open. Only thing is that whatever document we have signatured, on that basis we are moving. So we have to understand that the organized self-employment ministry and budget is giving us an organized path. I am doing this organized self-employment ministry 33rd session, and I am trying to convince trust and faith generation in Amit Kumar Jha, room number 126, which I am trying to explain. And by the document method, we all become self-employed government servant, and this fiscal credit table automatically will reach to the Prime Minister house and the Chief Minister house, and this fiscal credit table will be in the railway station and all, and we will be self-employed government system by the technology method, by truth and non-violence signaturing and becoming the vote banks of the 750 MPs and 4500 MLAs, multinational corporation, Hindus and educationists, and the truthful women, truth non-violence and government. Automatically we will become self-employed government servant, and in grade A to Z, whichever grade we are, according to our qualification we will be set, and forever we will be living, because our rights are whatever we have fought and we have done in the constitution. Apart from this, organized self-employment ministry will generate a self-employment government job atmosphere, a comfortable atmosphere from village to city to metropolitan all over India, and we will be in the congenial mood where we will be able to survive, because whenever the fixed system is there and document system is there, it is always worthy, because we can go to the central treasury, we can go to the Supreme Court and tell that this is our right. We are belonging from this Rashtrapati Bhavan, and our head Rashtrapati Bhavan is New Delhi Rashtrapati Bhavan, or we are belonging from this governor house, and our head governor house is the original governor house in our capital. By this concept, we will adopt and give to ourselves to the organized self-employment ministry and budget. This is purely a democratic concept. The money can be increased and decreased according to the inflation and deflation. But one thing will be clear, any eventuality we will be constant, because as we have the hospital, any types of eventuality is coming, we are directly admitted to the ICU. We have here made a homely atmosphere, work at home, work at office, according to our will, and double salary and double work, because in ministry what our work is, that is being given validated, means the constitutional validity on our income, work, educational certificate up till now, at what age we are deciding to join organized self-employment ministry, that has been validated. Those who do not want, it is no problem, because they already have their work, but everyone it is open, as the hospital, university, college open to everyone. Similarly, this self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit will be open to each and everyone. Each and everyone is the member of this, and we all will be living happy life by this organized self-employment ministry and budget, because self-employment government and 6 family son. Why I am putting this Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, government Dham raise into document form, because we are sons and daughters all over India. We have been married in different family. Immediately after 100 years also, and before 100 years also, the document which I am recommending, it is from the time immemorial, and it is the guiding principle of we all Hindus of Sanatan Dharma. We have been doing work and we have been making mandir, and it has been guiding us. By this document system, as we develop our constitution by Bhimrao Ambedkar, similarly, this document method of voting will generate a self-employment government job, and we will be always happy on the level of this, because organized self-employment ministry and budget is always giving money to us, because what work we are doing, that is being done in the fiscal credit table. The fiscal credit table which you are seeing here, it is like a railway track. How much kilometer we are going, according to that we are giving fare to the railway. Similarly, how much kilometer, how much years we are traveling with this fiscal credit salary of work validation, we are getting fiscal credit salary, and lifelong we are attached to this. We are retiring at the 58 years of age. In between, we can transfer to the any of the department, and by our effort, as educational certificate is the working style of this. By the educational certificate, we are promoting to grade A to grade B to grade C. Since crores and crores of employment people are required, employment is required for each and everyone, and by this method, in a democratic manner, we are signing the signature while joining the organized self-employment ministry, that we are the sons of Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, and accepting that we are believing in the philosophy that it is Rashtrapati Bhavan, Kailas Dham, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Vaikunth Dham, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Satyadham, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Varshikit Dham, Rashtrapati Bhavan, government Dham, that is Constitution Dham, and joining to the original Rashtrapati Bhavan, automatically on the constitutional path we are moving, because it is a documented path. The documented path where our documents can be easily verified, and the work we are doing will be easily verified, because a regular visit of our leaders, because as we will be giving salary, we can easily visit where the work is being going on, because when we are giving salary, automatically we are seeing how much work we are doing. We can file our work to the organized self-employment ministry senior managers. Senior manager will file their work to the zonal manager to the higher rank managers, and automatically it will reach to the chief minister office and the prime minister office. Apart from this, private sector work also we are doing, because by the organized self-employment ministry, democratic vote pattern is there, because one is devoted industries and one is devoted politician. So all are agreeing that we are sons and daughters of Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, because we require support of each other, and our sons and daughters are married to each our families. So in these circumstances, the grandson is from the politician family, and the maternal grandson is from industrial family, and the other grandsons are from the education family or the scientist family, other from the Jagdamba family, means all are related to each other. In that circumstances, I am trying to put the 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan uniting to the 1 Rashtrapati Bhavan, where we are functioning from 26 August 1950. It is concept by documents. This fiscal credit we will look as a Rashtrapati Bhavan concept, and by Prime Minister and Chief Minister control, we can live by signing the signature. What work we are doing, as we have been living, automatically it will be connected in the uniform employment manner. We will be self-employed government servant, and in this way, all the 4 generation of Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, and government Dham will move into 16.66 into 6. We have to understand that the organized self-employment ministry is the requirement of today. We have to make organized self-employment ministry for the development. Thank you.